My dear children, today we are going to discuss about our 10th class English textbook first lesson. Okay, now our English textbook is Our World Through English. Yes, today our first unit is Personality Development. Yes, children, Personality Development is our unit 1. Look this style sheet, children. Yes, there are 3 readings: A reading, B reading, C reading. A reading, attitude is altitude. B reading, every success story is also a story of great failures. C reading, I will do it. Yes, my children. Now, what do you see in the picture? Yes, what do you think the boy is trying to do? Children, think once and answer me. Is the boy falling down or going up? Why do you think so? Yes, my children. This first sheet named as style sheet. Okay. Now we are going to next sheet, that is face sheet. Yes, my dear children. Look at this face sheet. Look at the pictures in the face sheet. What did you observe in the picture, my children? Do you know these people? What is their specialty? Yes, my children, they are Sudha Chandran, Stephen Hawking, Helen Keller. Yes, my children, what did you know about these 3 personalities? Do you know anything? Yes, Sudha Chandran is a dancer. She did Bharatanatyam very well. Okay, very good, children. Shall we learn some more about Sudha Chandran? Yes, Sudha Chandran was born on 21st September 1964 into a Malayali family. She did her MA in economics. She lost her legs in a road accident in May 1981. Yet she did not lose hope. With artificial limbs, courage, confidence and commitment, she continued hard work and rose to international reputation as an excellent performer of Bharatanatyam. She won innumerable awards, but of more value is the fact that she won crores and crores of awards for her indomitable spirit. This is about Sudha Chandran. Next, Stephen Hawking. Yes, Stephen Hawking is a scientist. Yes, my children. Yes. Shall we learn something about? Yes, Stephen William Hawking was born on 8th January 1942 to Frank and Isabel Hawkins in Oxford, England. Though very bright in his studies, he has not been that strong physically. He has been suffering from a serious ailment called amyotrophic lateral sclerosis that almost paralyzes his entire body. Yet, using a wheelchair and speech aiding computer programs, he contributed to revolutionary growth of his areas, physics and cosmology. His book, A Brief History of Time, has been acclaimed as the bestseller. Stephen Hawking remains as a symbol of human power that can achieve even in difficult times. Yes, my children, do you got it? Yes. Next one is Helen Keller. Shall we learn something? Yes. Helen Adams Keller was born on 27th June 1880 in the USA. When she was just 19 months old, she contracted scarlet fever that left her blind and deaf. But her inexhaustible energy, coupled with her teacher Annie Sullivan's skill and patience, helped her become the first blind and deaf person to get a BA degree. She became internationally famous as an author, lecturer, and political activist. She authored 12 books. She toured the world championing the cause of the differently abled. Yes, my children, do you got it? Yes. These three great personalities were proven that disability is not an obstacle for success. Do you like such kind of personalities? Yes, very good. Yes, my children, what is your opinion about the attitude of society towards individuals with special needs? Yes, disability is a social issue. Our attitude towards individuals with special needs must be to promote the recognition of all children as full members of the society. We should respect all their rights without any discrimination. We should stimulate changes in attitudes and practices of the general public. The government should provide adequate training, counseling, financial assistance, and respite care. Thank you. My children, what qualities do you think a person requires to become successful? Yes, my children, the qualities a person requires to become successful are our attitude, our vision, our planning, our courage, our confidence, our discipline, our determination, our hard work, and our dedication, and our faith, and also positive thinking, responsibility, commitment, and good characters. These qualities make a person highly successful. Do you understand, children? Yes. Yes, my children. Do you improve these qualities? Okay. I hope, my dear children, you understood well. Okay, thank you. Objectives of this face sheet. The children will enable to understand that disability is not an obstacle. To allow the disabilities to do all activities. To give equal opportunities to the disabled. To understand success doesn't depend on disability. To get success, determination, dedication, discipline are very important. Learners come out with their perception, that is what they think about the pictures. These are the main objectives of this lesson. My dear children, let me start a reading. Attitude is altitude in next class. My dear children,